Today, I'm going to show you how to make Korean grilled mackerel fish called 고등어구이. Korean grilled mackerel is a classic fish dish known for its tender and meaty taste. Grilled mackerel just with rice and kimchi alone will take you to food heaven. If you never had this combination, you are totally missing out. Just like Korean barbecue beef and pork, we Koreans enjoy grilled mackerel with lettuce wrap. Hence the name 고갈비쌈밥. Watch to the end and I'm going to show you how to make 고갈비쌈밥. Today's recipe also includes how to fillet a whole mackerel fish. And guess what? This grilled mackerel dish was also included in the famous Squid Game drama. 오늘의 레시피, 고등어구이 맛있게 굽는 방법. 오늘도 여러분들과 영어로 함께 하겠습니다. Hi everyone, this is Helen and welcome to Modern Pepper. 안녕하세요, Modern Pepper 헬렌입니다. So mackerel in Korean is called 고등어. So when it comes to making grilled mackerel fish, make sure to get a whole fish and not one of these pre-filleted mackerel fish that comes in a package, because these tend to be really heavily salted, and the purpose of having grilled mackerel fish as your main entree is to have it really just slightly salty so that you could really get a true taste of that sweet mackerel meat taste, which is so yummy. If you do not want to see me take apart this fish, make sure to skip to the timeline that you see right here. So we want to use kitchen shears to remove the fins. And then back here too. Just lift and just cut away. And then same thing here. And right here above the belly. You could keep the head on if you want, or you don't have to. It's your call. And then the tail off. And then right here, it's already open for you. There's a little hole. And then all the intestine, we're just going to remove it and discard. And then we're just going to rinse it in cold water. Using a paper towel, just pat it dry. So this one, it came with the scales already removed, but if not, using the back of your knife, the dull part, scrape it away from the tail towards the body this way. Okay? You see where the bone separation is? Go in with the knife and just follow the bone as your guide. It's easy as that. And you are done. That's it. And then we're going to lightly season with a little bit of salt, maybe about 2 pinches of salt. Like so. And some freshly ground black pepper. And that's it. Set your heat to high and let it preheat for about a good minute. And then once your frying pan is preheated, bring your heat to medium high. And we're going to put about a tablespoon of oil. And then we're going to put the flesh part down first. So if you don't hear the sizzling sound when the fish hits the frying pan, that means your frying pan was not preheated. And then we're going to loosely cover it with aluminum foil and let the mackerel cook for about a good 2 to 3 minutes or until slightly golden brown. So it's been about a little over 2 minutes. Oh, look at that. So you want to check to make sure your color looks nice and golden brown like that. Use your hand to pick it up. This side is still cold. So just flip it over. So that's the color you want to have. And then loosely cover with the foil again, and we're just going to let the other side cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, again on medium-high heat. Jan! So yes, why am I wearing a Squid Game outfit? Because I'm just bored. No, I'm just kidding. So today's grilled mackerel recipe is part of my Squid Game recipe review where I include all the food that is included in Squid Game drama. So make sure to check it out. The video link will be in the description box below, and I will see you there, folks. All right, so I have a tip for you. So many people say, oh my God, when you make fish at home, it stinks up my entire house for days. Yes, sometimes that could happen. When it comes to making fish, you just need to cook it for a very short period of time. What happens is when you overcook your fish, the natural oils from the fish will burn and create this really heavy, fishy smelling odor, and that is the result of the oils burning. So the key is just grill your fish lightly like so and keep an eye on it. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes and this is done. So the other side should look like this. And we're just gonna get up, put it on a plate, like so, and it's done. There we go. I just want to show you how juicy and meaty our 고등어구이 is. Look at that. To make our lettuce wrap, ssam, use any lettuce of your choice. This is called 깻잎, perilla leaves. You don't have to add this, but it's an option. Just a small amount rice, piece of our grilled mackerel, 고등어구이, and a little bit of 쌈장, like that. So this is our pamuchim. So it's scallion side salad with oyi, cucumber, together like that. And then I want you to press down and fold it in half and then roll it tight, tight, tight like that. And then in goes into your mouth like that. You always want to make your Korean lettuce wraps one bite size. So I want to thank everyone for watching, and if you enjoyed watching today's video, I would greatly appreciate it if you would click on that thumbs up icon and subscribe if you did not subscribe yet. 여러분 오늘 재밌게 보셨으면 꼭 좋아하는 버튼 눌러주세요. 구독 버튼도 눌러주시고요. 다음 비디오에서 꼭 뵙겠습니다. And I will see you in one of the videos you see right here.